नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शलाक्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंसेज at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University in Jaipur. Today we will discuss about this instrument. As you know, this instrument is the Alice forceps. Okay. It is a straight grasping forceps with serrated jaws, and it is used to forcibly grasp or retract tissue structures. First of all, we will discuss about the parts of this instrument. Okay. These are the serrated tooth jaws. Okay. This is the joint of the Alice forceps. This part is the shaft or the shanks of the Alice forceps. This is the catch, lock or the ratchet, and these are the finger bones. So the Alice forceps is a surgical instrument with sharp teeth, and it is used to hold or grasp the heavy tissues. This is the right way to hold this instrument. You can see my one thumb and the ring finger is in the two rings of this instrument, and the index finger is here to support this instrument. This is the right way to hold the instrument. So it is used to hold or grasp the heavy tissues. Okay. Alice forceps can cause damage, so they are mainly used in tissue which are about to be removed. Okay, because there are the sharp teeth, they can damage the tissue, so it is mainly used in the surgeries in which we have to remove that tissue. Okay. Apart from that, it is used for removal of large amount of tissues. Because large amount of tissue destruction, and for that it should not be used on tissues remaining in the mouth. Okay. It can be used to grasp the tongue as in towel clip. Okay. Apart from that, it is used during surgery to grasp organs and tissues which are slippery, which are dense but still they are slippery. Okay. It is less delicate than the Babcock forceps due to the sharp teeth which are present at the tip of this blade. It is less delicate. Okay. And it is also used to hold the tough structures such as the fascia, sheath or tendon, and delicate structures, as you know, to hold fascia and aponeurosis. The tip got teeth on each blade which are opposing each other. But you can see the teeth are opposing each other. Okay, they are opposing each other. You can see they are opposing each other. But the blades, these are the blades of these instruments, they do not oppose. It is an important characteristic of this instrument. You can see the gap in the two blades. This means the blades of the instrument, they are not opposing each other. Okay. So for holding the flap of skin, facial or fibrous tissue, aponeurosis and other tough tissues, it is have a very good use for holding the subcutaneous tissue, and it can be used to hold the tissues like fibrous capsule of sac which is being dissected. So it is an important thing that the structures which we have to dissect, which you have to remove, it should be used in holding that tissue only, because it has a sharp tip. Okay. And it is also used to hold the thin but the tough tissues for the purpose of giving traction. So it is also used in the purpose of traction. Okay. So these are all the uses of this structure. It is a tissue holding forceps, and the name is the Alice forceps. As I have told you, the various uses of this instrument. Okay, it is used for holding the tissues. Okay, the structures, the parts have been discussed. It has the jaws, which are tooth jaws, and that helps in holding the tissues in a better way. Okay, so it is a very important instrument in case of surgeries, right? These are the tip, these are the jaws, this is the blade, this is the joint, these are the shanks, these are the ratchet, and these are the finger rings to hold the instrument. As I have already told you, you have to put one thumb in one finger, and in another finger you have to put the ring finger, and your index finger should be like this. Okay, so if you have to hold any tissue, so this is the right way to hold this tissue and hold up, and you want to dissect it. So this is a better way to hold this instrument. You should also always know the right way, then only you can make the better use of that. So it is used in various surgeries. In the ENT surgeries also we have to grasp the dense tissue, tough tissue, and in also laparoscopic surgeries in the so it has various uses. It has a locking handle. You can see you can lock this like this with the catch lock. We have the 3 locks: first lock, second lock, third lock. The third lock will have the firmest grip for the better grip. Okay, it will got the jaws will get very tight. Okay. It is a very important instrument. You should not get confused with this instrument with the other instruments, because you have very different identification features. The most important is this 2 jaws. You can see the tooth jaws of this instrument. Okay, and the important thing was these blades do not oppose each other. There will always be a gap in the 2 blades of the Alice tissue forceps. Okay, and as I have told you, it is used to hold the grasp organs and slippery dense tissue. So it has various uses. This is a tissue holding forceps. Okay. These teeth are short but interdigitating. Interdigitating means they will oppose each other. You can see they will oppose each other, and it is designed in a way that it will grasp and hold tissue. You can hold tissue like skin. Okay, in case of various ENT surgeries we do. So this is all about the Alice tissue forceps. Okay. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session, and in case you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your problems very soon. This video will be uploaded on the Jyoti Vidyapeeth YouTube channel. There you can see this video and get an important information about the Alice tissue forceps, and it's a great opportunity for me to share this information with you all through this medium. Thank you so much.